Here in this question, A is given, A matrix is given, B matrix given, then find the value of x for which A square equal to B. So using this condition, we should proceed. A square equal to B given, so we'll consider since A square equal to B, A into A square means A into A. So we'll write A matrix 2 times is equal to B matrix 1, 5, 0, 1. Now multiply this A into A. So differentiate into rows and columns. So this order is 2 by 2, here order 2 by 2. After multiplication, we will get 2 by 2 order only. So first row, first column. So x square plus 0. Okay. Then first row, second column. So x into 0 will be 0. 0 into 1 will be 0. Then 1x, second row, first column. So x ones are x plus 1. Then 0 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1051. Okay, then simplify the expression x square 0 1 and x plus 1 1 0 5 and 1. Now we'll compare the corresponding elements here. So 0 is 0, yes, 1 is 1, yes. So x square equal to 1. X square equal to 1. So x will be plus minus 1. Okay. So we'll verify whether we are getting same answer or not by comparing other corresponding elements. So we'll get this one, x plus 1 equal to 5. So x will be equal to 4. So we are getting different values of x by comparing different answers. Suppose if I substitute, if I take x as 1, okay, and I substitute in LHS, so I should get right hand side matrix. Okay, see if I'm getting 3 values of x, so for each value I should get right hand side matrix. Then only we can write x value is this much, otherwise no. Okay, so you can check here, if you substitute x 1, you will get here 2, but you should get 5. That is not possible. So x equal to 1 is not possible. If you substitute x equal to minus 1, so here we will get 1, but again here we will get 0, not 5. So x equal to minus 1 is not possible. And if you substitute x as 4 in place of 1, you will be getting 16. That means what we can write, x value does not exist. Okay, in this case when a square equal to b, because we are not getting any correct value. Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
If a matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Okay, this is also important question. For 1 marks they can ask. Suppose I'll take the smaller matrix with less number of elements. Okay, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. So this matrix has 4 elements and 4 elements. Okay, so these 4 elements, in how many order I can write? I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Or I can write 0, 1, 2, 3. So for this order is 2 by 2. For this order is 1 by 4. For this order is 4 by 1. So in a simple language, what I am doing, I am just finding the factors of 4, isn't it? 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 4 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4. So here also whatever number of element will be given to you, just try to write 24. Suppose we can write 24 into 1, okay, then 12 into 2, then with 3 8 will come, okay, then 4 6 will come, 5 won't give any number, then 6 4 will come, then all the other number will come in a different order, है ना? 6 by 4, 4 by 6, then 3 by 8 I can write, then 2 by 12 I can write, then 1 by 24. So these many orders are possible. Okay, therefore possible orders are these many orders are possible. How many such orders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then if it has 13 elements, for matrix of order 13, possible orders will be 13 is a prime number, so 1 into 13 we can have, and 13 into 1 only. Okay, so like this, given any number of element, you can find different possible orders. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. So suppose if I take order 1 by 1, smaller order I'll take. Okay, 1 by 1 means one element will come here. That can be either 0 or 1. So suppose one matrix I'll have 0, another matrix I'll have 1. Okay, that means how many number of possible matrices I have? Total possible 2. Okay, so for order 1 by 1, I have 2 possible matrices with entry 0 and 1. Okay, how can we get this? See, 1 by 1 means only one element will be there. To fill this element, we have how many choices? 2 choices. Either 0 we can fill or 1 we can fill, isn't it? So for this element, 2 choices are there. Okay, now suppose 2 by 2 order, 2 by 2 order. Okay, so for this element I have 2 choices, and for this element I have 2 choices, for this element I have 2 choices, for this element I have 2 choices. Means I can write 0 0, all 0 I can write 0 1 0 0. Okay, then next time I'll put 0 here, isn't it? So how many such matrices I can make? So 2 power 4. Okay, understood this much? So where 4 comes from? This one, 2 by 2. So now for 3 by 3, how can we generalize? 2 power 9. Okay, this is from textbook only. This question is from textbook only. So we can write here number of, this will come for 1 mark, possible matrices of order 3 by 3 will be 2 power 9. Okay, 2 power 9 with 0 and 1 entry, with each entry 0 or 1. So 2 power 9 means 2 power 5 will be 32 and 2 power 4 will be 16. So 512 such matrices are possible with entry 0 or 1. This is your answer. Write the element A23, second row, third column element of 3 by 3 matrix A, where each element is given by this. Okay, this is 2 mark question. Suppose if they ask each entry 3 by 3, so it will be 2 marks. Now only one element is asked, A23. That means I value is 2 and J value is 3. So we'll substitute directly I and J value here to get one element. Otherwise, to find the matrix, sometimes they ask find the matrix with element given by this. So that time A12, A21, according to the order of the matrix we should find. Now here we can substitute I and J value as 2 and 3. So 2 minus 3 divided by 2. So this is mod value. So minus 1 will be plus 1. So 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is for 1 mark only. Okay, because only one element is asked. So in such type question, they can give any expression for Aij and they'll ask to find element or matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3, like that they can ask.